For millions of years, we humans have tried to make something to sit on. Right from the first time we sat on a stone, a rock, or a tree branch, we knew we needed to sit. The form of this thing that we call a chair has undergone a lot of transformation. Right from being a stool, a couch, or even a throne, the chair has changed a lot.
But today, with many of us spending majority of our days sitting in a chair while working, we are seeing a new set of problems related to sitting, back and spine ailments at an early age. These are problems that chairs are not traditionally designed to take care of, that is, until now.
Introducing SpineChair, an IoT device that takes care of your well-being. It connects to the back of your chair, making it smart.
These were the issues that we decided to tackle. We viewed the chair as one of the most intuitive interfaces, and if something is intuitive, it should speak up. It should tell you about itself, about its environment. A chair should have this information and make sense out of it, turn it into knowledge and then behave accordingly.
We went through several reports by medical professionals and formulated the do's and don'ts with everything that had to do with prolonged sitting and incorrect posture. Knowing this, we designed the chair to be able to understand your posture and alert you if you have been sitting in an unhealthy posture for a long time.
We first started fitting the chair with sensors to detect occupancy. After doing this successfully, we moved on to the next level of understanding the posture. The technology that goes in the chair consists of a sensor array as well as multiple modalities of feedback such as haptic, auditory and visual. The chair is also connected to the internet where all this information is stored. This information is relevant for understanding your sitting habits and advising you accordingly. All the data is stored and processed over the cloud. This information is relevant for understanding your sitting habits. We made the internet work for you and only the last bit of the algorithm is stored on the device itself. The essence of the chair is that it takes care of your well-being. It does so by timing your posture. The design of the form is subtle and blends with the surroundings and still maintaining its uniqueness.
SpineChair's design is smart, it's minimal, an intriguing ring of light alerts you when you sit for long. It has a toughened body and a translucent front panel.
The Smart Chair also comes with a mobile application to personalize your chair usage. It rates your sitting habits and encourages you to sit better. It figures out how many hours you sat and how. It also knows how much you walked. It will guide you to find out the perfect sitting posture for you so that you inculcate better sitting habits. You can see the sitting statistics for today or any past day. You can also set personal reminders.
For places requiring large deployment of these chairs such as offices and other venues, a dedicated dashboard panel helps the admin to check utilization of your resources. It takes advantage of this presence detection technology. The data coming out of this system can be coupled to your ERP to get greater insights into your resource management by making them real-time. The admin can select the location for where you have deployed these resources and narrow down the search to even an individual.
We envision this technology being implemented where presence detection is relevant, and with the true meaning of IoT expanded to other domains such as healthcare, retail, smart housing and so on. Going forward, wherever you require to detect presence, you are restricted only to your imagination.